Now it's time for Vantage shots, images that tell the story. Jordan evacuates 1,800 tourists from Petra after flash floods hit the ancient city. Syrian President Al-Jalani shows off his basketball skills in a new social media video. And in Hong Kong, people scramble up a tower at the stroke of midnight to pluck as many buns as they can. Finally, we are taking you back in history on this day in 1937. German airship Hindenburg burst into flames in New Jersey. The fire was attributed to a hydrogen leak from the ship. This accident killed 36 of the 97 people on board. It also ended the use of airships for commercial transportation. We are leaving you on that note. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
make sure 嗰啲包咧擺。唔好擺咗喺對手嘅袋度，咁就益咗對方。咁咧總分咧係1130。
Greeting you with aloha and namaste.
No, I love India.
Presence, occupation of a territory by another country pertains to India. What we saw in Kashmir.
The Prime Minister Modi.
How do you see Trump's America?
Yes, the current administration behaves differently from the previous administration.
Are you saying that there are foreign powers who are trying to bring down the current government in Syria?
Exactly.
Iran, maybe Russia too.
Prime Minister Modi committed to South-South, cooperation.
For both sides.
Not over 50%.
Is Ukraine prepared to pay the price for that peace?
No compromises at the cost of territorial integrity and sovereignty.